So we have just finished part 2. Let's recap what we've learned so far. We have learned about chart of accounts, which is indexing of all nominal accounts we can use in bookkeeping, and they're structured in a certain way and called chart of accounts. QuickBooks or Xero would have a ready template for chart of accounts. If you're missing any accounts, you can always add them or change the name suitable more for your work. And all nominal accounts are linked to 5 major accounts, such as revenue or income, expenses, which make a profit and loss account. We've seen that statements, right? We've got assets, liabilities, and equity or capital, which makes our balance sheet. And we've also learned that debit and credit need to balance for any transactions. So we need to post some transaction in debit and some part of transaction in credit. And the easiest way to learn where to put which amount for each nominal account is dealer. Here we added dividends and drawings. That's a payment to shareholders of the business. We have expenses, we have assets. That's a debit side if we increase. And we have liabilities, equity, and a revenue for our credit side if we increase the amount in this specific account.